Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure the devices talk to each other. On the LG TV, enable AirPlay in the home dashboard and keep the TV on the same Wi-Fi as your iPhone. On the iPhone, update iOS and turn off VPNs or mobile hotspots so discovery works. Once done, open Control Center on your iPhone and tap Screen Mirroring. Your LG should appear. If the TV requests a PIN the first time, you'll see it on screen. Enter it immediately into your iPhone to pair. After selecting the LG TV from Screen Mirroring, watch for the small connecting spinner. Pairing completes in seconds. You can mirror the entire display or stream video from apps that support AirPlay. Select the option that fits. Make sure the TV input stays on the same app or home dashboard. If audio lags, change audio output to the TV on your iPhone. You can lock orientation on the phone to keep the picture stable. If performance is poor, reduce video quality in the streaming app. When you're done, open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring, then stop mirroring so the TV returns to normal. If mirroring fails or drops, restart both the iPhone and LG TV, confirm both are on the same Wi-Fi band, and temporarily disable Bluetooth or VPNs that interfere with discovery. Make sure AirPlay isn't restricted by TV settings. If problems persist, try rebooting the router or use a Lightning to HDMI adapter as a reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.